Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns or saved the place. Open Google Maps on your phone or desktop and search the location name or tap the pin on the map. Once found, make sure you're viewing the place details panel. This is where the delete or edit options live. If it's a saved place, confirm which list it's in. If it's a business you manage, verify owner access first so you can proceed to removal steps. Once you're in the place details, tap the three-dot menu or select Suggest an Edit to reveal removal choices. If it's a saved or pinned personal entry, pick Remove from List or Delete. This removes it from your Maps view. For business you own, claim it first if necessary, then use the Manage or Remove options. Otherwise, suggest the place is permanently closed or doesn't exist. Make sure you follow prompts and confirm each action to submit changes. After confirming the delete or suggestion, expect a delay. Google often reviews changes and they can take hours or days to appear. Once done, check Maps later. If the place persists, clear the app cache or sign out, then sign back in to force refresh. If removal didn't stick, submit another edit with supporting details or photos and use the feedback/report a problem option. If you've lost access or see unexpected behavior, contact Google support for account or content resolution assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.